This is a quick recording of some of the errors that I'm seeing in OpenBazaar. I'm going to send this on to the devs along with a copy of my logs uh, because I'm gonna wipe and start over. I think a lot of people are experiencing these issues, and I also think that these issues are coming from old installs or old data working with new installations. So I hadn't updated in a long time. I was having a hard time getting the local server. I have both a local server here on this machine, and I also have a remote server, and I switch back and forth to do testing. And anyways, I'll just show you some of the errors, and I'll send you the logs, and you can figure out what you want to do with them. But anyways, you can see here's my wallet. I've got 4 confirmations. I've got $1 in here, and now if I go to the store that I'm following, here we go. And I'm just going to refresh, make sure I have the right store and the right inventory. Okay, so this is my test store running on a DigitalOcean droplet, so fully connected to the internet. This machine I'm on right now is behind a firewall. So I'm going to add my testing coupon, which is going to knock it down to 1 penny. And I'm going to go pay from wallet, and bam, I get this error. Error, insufficient funds. In fact, I am going to do the developer tools window so we can see what's going on here. Let's see. Okay, there's the error. Internal service error. Yeah, that's too generic. That's not very helpful. Okay, so that's one error. I've definitely seen people complain about this error where they have funds and they have confirmations and it's not letting them make purchases. This is a big one. The other thing that has been persistent for quite a while, and I believe I have a GitHub issue on this. So okay, so again, local. I'm on my local uh, server, and I'm going to switch to my remote server. And so the first time it comes up, it thinks it's empty, and then it gets like a disconnect call. Um, yeah, so one of these. So I'm just going to clear that again, and okay, clear that. Okay, I'm going to retry again, and usually it'll connect this time. So it'll connect on the second try, and now if I try and switch back to my local server, it says it's trying to shut it down, and it just totally hangs, and it never recovers. And if I try and exit the whole application, it'll hang well, I'll just show you what it looks like in a minute. So I'm just going to wait this out for a few minutes and see what happens, and then I'll try and exit out of the program. And it's super irritating that the program doesn't exit. Like I can't click down here and force exit. I can't right click here and force exit. This is Windows 10, by the way. The only way I can kill it is by bringing up Windows Task Manager, selecting it, and hitting End Task, and that force kills it. And then it comes up just fine, but most users don't know how to access the Task Manager. Okay, so it failed. I'm gonna see. No, so if I know that if I hit retry and try and exit, it'll hang. I'm gonna try and exit without retrying. No, okay, so same thing. You can see it, and I can't exit. I can't. Can't get out of the program. None of those work. The only way to kill it is this. And this particular problem is more irritating for me because I'm switching back and forth from a remote to a local server. So this might be an edge case for the general user population. But yeah, so those are a couple things. Like again, I'm going to zip my logs and post them along with this video somewhere for the OpenBazaar devs.